Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable third-party cookies in Google Chrome web browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open Chrome's settings interface in a new tab, giving you access to all the customization and configuration options available in the browser. The settings page is where you can control everything from your appearance preferences to security features. Now, once you're in the settings page, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation menu with different categories. Look for and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the important controls related to how Chrome handles your data, browsing information, and various security features. It's essentially the hub for managing what websites can and cannot do while you're browsing. After clicking on Privacy and Security, you'll see several options related to your browsing privacy. Scroll through this section until you find the option labeled Third-Party Cookies and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where Chrome gives you control over how third-party cookies function in your browser. Third-party cookies are used by websites other than the one you're currently visiting, often for tracking and advertising purposes. Now, to disable third-party cookies, simply click the radio button next to Block Third-Party Cookies. When you select this option, Chrome will prevent websites from using cookies that track your activity across different sites. This enhances your privacy by limiting the amount of data that advertisers and other third parties can collect about your browsing habits. On the other hand, if you want to enable third-party cookies, click the radio button next to Allow Third-Party Cookies. Selecting this option lets websites use these cookies, which some sites require for certain features to work properly, though it does reduce your privacy somewhat. And that's it. You've successfully configured your third-party cookie settings in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.